In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello to create a complete, structured course plan, from building your board all the way to fleshing out individual lesson details. Whether you're an educator preparing a new curriculum, a content creator mapping out a series, or just someone who loves organized learning, Trello's flexibility makes it a fantastic tool for turning a messy syllabus into a clear, trackable workflow. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, log into your Trello dashboard. You'll be greeted by your Workspace view, and from here, click the button that says Create New Board. This is your blank canvas. Name your board after the course you're planning, something like Biology 101 Inches or Digital Marketing Course. The name is important because it sets the context for everything you add next, so make it specific and recognizable. Once the board is created, you'll see a single default list called To Do. We're going to replace that with lists that represent your main course sections. These lists act as columns, and they can represent modules, weeks, or even broad subjects. For example, you might create lists titled Module 1, Basics, Module 2, Intermediate, Module 3, Advanced, and then a final list called Completed. This structure gives you a visual pipeline that shows exactly where every piece of content sits in your course journey. A best practice here is to keep your list names consistent. Use the same format for each one, so scanning across the board feels intuitive. Now that your board is structured, it's time to populate it with lessons. Inside each list, simply click the Add a Card link that appears at the bottom. Each card will represent an individual lecture, an assignment, or a specific study topic. Think of cards as the building blocks of your course. When naming a card, resist the urge to be vague. Instead, use a clear, action-oriented name. For example, instead of Chapter 3, write Chapter 3 Introduction to Equations. Or instead of Lecture 2, write Video Lecture 2.1 The Scientific Method. This makes every card immediately understandable, even weeks later, and it helps you or your team know exactly what needs to be done without having to open every single card to check. This is where Trello really shines, fleshing out the details. Click on any card to open its back, which is the detailed view. Here, you can build a truly comprehensive lesson plan. Start with the description field. This is your space for lecture scripts, detailed outlines, or quick reference notes. You can even use Markdown for basic formatting. Next, use the checklist feature. Checklists let you break a lesson down into tiny, actionable steps. For instance, a checklist for one card might include watch the video, read the chapter, take the quiz, and submit homework. Checking each item off gives a satisfying sense of progress and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. You can add multiple checklists to a single card, which is perfect for tracking different types of tasks like pre-work and post-work. Beyond text, you can attach files directly to the card. Upload PDFs of study guides, PowerPoint slides, or even link to external resources like a YouTube video or a Google Doc. This keeps all your materials centralized, so you never have to dig through folders or emails to find that one handout. Then, set a due date. You can assign a deadline for when the lesson needs to be completed by you or taught to students. Trello will give you reminders, which helps you stay on schedule. Finally, use labels. These are color-coded tags you can apply to any card. You might use red for high priority, green for completed, blue for video lessons, and yellow for reading assignments. The key is to create a system that makes sense for your workflow and apply it consistently. A common pitfall is using too many labels at once. Start with just 3 or 4 categories, like priority, format, and status, and expand only as needed. By now, you've transformed a blank board into a fully organized, detailed, and trackable course plan. You have a clear visual of every module, every lesson, and every step inside that lesson, all with deadlines and resources attached. The benefit here is huge. You save mental energy by not having to remember what comes next, and you give yourself a reliable system to monitor progress. As a next step, consider using Trello's power-ups, like the calendar view, to see all your due dates on a monthly timeline. You could also invite a collaborator or a student to the board if you want to share the plan. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this tutorial, please hit that like button. It truly helps others discover this content. Drop a comment below with your favorite course topic or any questions you have about building your own board. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we create next. I'll see you in the next video.